All right, so we're going to start constructing our polyhedron. This polyhedron, again, is comprised of 20 triangles that are spiked. And, a triangle has three sides, so it's a three-sided spike, 20 of them that we will, attach because it's a modular origami, meaning each folded paper is modularly attached to one another to form this spiked sphere. So we've done already the first half right in here, right? We've done this. Now, what I want you to notice, this is what it's all about. It's all about maintaining 5, the element of 5. 5 what? You could say 5 spikes, 5 lines. You will always have a center like this, okay? And then from there, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's another center right there, right? Think of it that way. This center has 1. Now we're going to do 2, 3, 4, 5. This will also be another center and another center, okay? That is how we begin something like this. If we look at this right here, we've got a center right here with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I move over, a center with 5. If I move over, a center with 5. So every time you look at this, it's got to be 5. And that is how it will start to become spherical. It just does it. It does it on its own. Okay? You just have to pay attention. So here we go. Let's go ahead and we're just going to be adding some colors here. There's no reason or there's no like formula as to how I'm adding colors. And again, you don't need to add color. You can do this all solid or just 2 colors. 2 small triangles right here. 1, 2 going inside. Big triangle. All right. So here we go. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to do. So in this video, I'm just going to do another center. Okay. This is going to be my center. All right. Let's find lighter paper. All right. So at this point, you just have to think, okay, these 2 small triangles, they need to find a large triangle. All right. So go. Come in here. Open up this flap. Line this up. All right, let's take a look. Remember, I'm working on this. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I don't want to close this up here because then that's only 4. So I need 4, 5. I need one more right in here. One more right in here. Let's choose. What color am I going to choose? Choose purple, maybe. All right, purple. Oh, so it's going to go right there. Boom. So a lot of times I try to tell people it's like you're working on a puzzle, right? And this puzzle, there are rules to this puzzle, and you can solve this challenge or puzzle just by simply remembering that you have a center and you have 5. And it is exciting. It's exciting to see how this thing starts to form. Okay, so let's see. Now we're gonna close this off, right? See right here? I'm gonna close this off because now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to show you something now when I close this off. Because this is where you kind of can make or get confused and make an accident here. All right, let's go. Do this. Bring this guy here. It's always about craftsmanship as well, meaning, can you be clean about this? Can you be nice and sharp? All right. So I've got this center with 5, this center with 5. But I want you to notice something. You see this triangle right here? It already has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. When you see something like that, just immediately close the spike. Because if you don't close this spike and you start adding, let's suppose you start adding like another one, and then you add one here. And then before you know it, you're like, uh-oh, I just created like a pentagon right in here, or I created another one. And we're not doing an Archimedean polyhedron. We're doing a Platonic polyhedron. That means they're all going to be one shaped. And that one shape is a triangle. So right here, this already makes a triangle. We got to close this up. So whenever you see something that has already 3 sides, close it up. Close it up right away. Now, because I'm closing this up, and like I said before, one of the tips is to go ahead and cut some of this off because it makes it easier to close this in, right? So we're going to go ahead and close our second spike right here. I'm going to open this up, this pocket right here. I'm going to open that up. Go ahead and slip that in. It's a little tricky here sometimes because you're like, wait a second, how do I get this spike in there? All right, do the best that you can. Oh, okay, let me try this again. I have to put some more glue in here. It might help if I actually open up the pocket here, right? I didn't do that before. All right, here we go. Now we should be cooking here. All right, try to get this a little bit sharp. Okay, there we go. That's about as best as I can right now. All right. A lot of work there, huh? Okay, so I've got 2 spikes now. Before I continue, do I see any others that need to be closed off? No, I've got 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so I'm good. I'm good to go. I've now got 2 spikes. So at this point, we can choose where we'd like to go. Now, normally I like to choose where it's almost ready to go. Here, this is not ready to go. I've got only 1, 2, 1, 2. But as I spin it around and I get to this section right here, I've got 1, 2, 3. I might as well do this one. Let's just go ahead and do that one. It's almost done. And that's kind of how you want to do this.